we are not the pinnacle of creation. There is room for improvement. And so I decided to become a scientist and answer the questions based on evidence, not based on prejudice. And we haven't really checked until the last decade. The first object to have been reported by astronomers that came from outside the solar system looked really weird. It was discovered by a telescope in Hawaii. When it passed close to Earth, it was the size of a football field, and it looked really weird because as it was tumbling every 8 hours, the amount of sunlight reflected from it changed by a factor of 10, which meant that it has a very extreme shape, most likely flat, like a pancake. And moreover, it exhibited a push away from the sun by some mysterious force because there was no evaporation, no cometary tail around it, no dust, no gas. So the question was, what is pushing it? And I suggested that maybe it's the reflection of sunlight. But for that, the object had to be very thin, like a sail. And that meant that it was not produced naturally. Over the past decade, we discovered objects that came from outside the solar system, are exactly the properties of this meteor from 2014. And then Oumuamua was discovered in 2017. And finally, a comet appeared, also from interstellar space, was moving too fast. It's also possible that this object was of artificial origin.